the DJ Supercat. So them say, well, you can't use the man name just like that. So you need to do something about it. So my grandfather, the man was Mr. Bada. So my friend them used to always say to me, say, oh, you favor your grandfather, you just look like your grandfather. So them start calling me Bada. So I saw the name Bada Cat come in.
Go up and get me chain. Man, I say him not have no money, you want money to borrow. I said, my brother.
Just on the site I work. And we might talk in a lot of things on the site working, you know. So you get to understand about some guy that eats some puppy chow. Yeah, so just explaining to the workers them how me hear that the guy them eat puppy chow, you know. So the guy them eat up the puppy chow, so we go there and like somebody down and say to them, so what is you know I eat? I come out down and say, some foreign biscuit, man, you know, want some I eat. And the man I say, no, you know, see a puppy chow, them I know I eat, you know. So I saw me up on the site and I tell them about the puppy chow. And I say, yeah, them lucky when them done, the whole of them no start bark. Like a dog, you know. So I saw this guy now, Basil. He was the guy who had the phone on me at the time. Well, he familiar with the YouTube. I have a YouTube page, so I saw him post it himself. Bada Cat, you know that the people, them love your voice and them like it. So, you don't have any more can give me. I said, no, but I don't even know your brother, how you keep phone for me and tell me this and that. And I say, yeah, man, just work with me, man. It can make you reach a far way. And, you know, I say, me think about it, you know. I'm still a go and come, him now left me still, you know. I have the understanding. I don't really know anything about what I must say, you know. Anyway, I'm going him come and he determined, so I give him a next video. So now I'm going to, like me, I tell him about the light bill, you know. I tell him, say, no, make sense, you have your and take it and go pay a bill and dead for hungry. Because you would have the money strain to carry it, go pay the bill, drop down and not hungry, you're dead for. So better you buy something out of the money for eat, and carry the rest, go pay the bill, and tomorrow you can go back, go work strong again, and have more money, can finish pay the bill and live on, you know. All the things me talk is just what me experience and whatever me do of my life story, all the things. Since we start, the YouTube start to send out a little thing for us, so we start to achieve a thing from the YouTube. Yeah. So, otherwise you have like a show keep like a dance.